Nasılsın Yavuz, iyi misin?
İyiyim hocam, elhamdülillah. Siz nasılsınız?
Biz de iyiyiz çok şükür. İşte treningim vardı bugün, o bitti. Artık yine tatile devam. Sen boksa kaç gün gidiyorsun haftada?
4.
4 gün.
Evet.
İyi.
Hocam bu cumartesi maçı izleyecek misiniz yoksa
Bu cumartesi
Alex Pereira'nın maçı var da.
izleyeceğim ya. İyi takımlar ise izliyorum normalde. Her takım
Yok,
izlemiyorum da.
yok, takım değil hocam, Alex Pereira UFC yani.
Ha ha. Tabii onu izleyeceğim ya. UFC'ne her hafta şey izliyorum ben, bu şeyleri.
Anladım.
İyi olanları. Onu izleyeceğim inşallah. Onu bekliyorum. Bu Alex Pereira çok fena şey dövüşüyor ya. Adamın karakteri. Ya en son ikinci defa şey çıktı ya. Ee, Bu New Zealand'lı şey vardı. Kimdi o? Alex.
Ya, Israel Adesanya hocam.
Evet. Ya onunla tam yenecekti, son anda yenildi ya. Onu izledin mi?
Evet, izlemiştim.
Ya ona biraz ben şey yaptım ya. Üzüldüm yani. Ya son şeyini çok iyi bir atak yaptı. Ondan sonra da böyle vuruşla bitirdi işte şey. O ismi neydi ya? Onun tam ismi neydi?
Adesanya, Israel
Evet,
Adesanya.
İsrail Adesanya değil mi?
Hı hı.
Evet. Bakalım, bu hafta bekliyorum yani. Alex var. Evet, en önemlisi olmuş yani. Ondan sonra yakın arada çok böyle beklediğim bir şey yok yani.
Hı hı.
Bir de bu Leon Edwards'a Bilal Muhammed çıkacak ya şeydi.
Ha, evet.
Saturday, July 27.
Evet, hocam.
Bu Leon Edwards'a çok iyi dövüşüyor. Onu da bekliyorum.
Hı hı.
Güzel. Ondan sonra onlar çıkacak şeyden. O da Ağustos'ta. İyi, güzel. Ara sıra böyle heyecanlı maçlar veriyorlar işte. Yoksa hep maçlarda heyecan olmuyor ama bazıları gerçekten çok heyecanlı oluyor.
Evet, aynen.
Ama bu İslam'ı izlerken ben çok heyecanlandım. Ya iyi, o 5. raunda şey yaptı ya.
Evet,
Şeyle,
bitirmiş. Ben de
teknikle.
bitirdim. Hı hı.
Evet. Yavuz, başlayalım. Dün
Tamam hocam.
işte bunları yapman lazımdı.
Yaptım.
Bilmiyorum yapabildim mi? Yani hesaplamalar, aslında bu hesaplamalar Yavuz biraz nasıl hesaplanıyor? Onu biraz sen hissedebilmen için yapılıyor. Ama onu hissettikten sonra zaten bu hesaplamalar hep hesap makinesiyle ya da bilgisayarla yapıyoruz, tamam mı?
Hı hı.
Normalde şimdi bu college board'larda falan filan iki tane kısım var ya. Calculator allowed, calculator not allowed. Or calculator active, calculator not active. Şimdi o calculator non-active kısmında da yani böyle şeyleri acaba öğrenci biliyor mu? Bu şeyleri işte bu plugging numbers into the function, evaluating algebra operations, the order operations. Şimdi çok öğrenci şuna takılıyor da ya bunu hesaplıyorum da nerede kullanacağım? Yani en çocukların büyük düşmanı bu, tamam mı? Ondan sonra kalıyor. Öyle dersen hayatta çok şey anlamsız zaten. Yani şimdi gidip geliyorum, tamam, gittim büyüdüm, onu yaptım bunu yaptım, öleceğim. Madem öleceğim, ne yapıyorum ki bunları? Tamam, o zaman hayatın zaten bir anlamı yok. Bir hedefini iyi koymazsan hayatın bir anlamı yok. Hayat diye zaten öğrenmek için, tecrübe kazanmak için, farklı şeyleri şey yaşamak için, şahsen ben öyle düşünüyorum ya.
Hı hı.
Ya yoksa evde otursan da hayat geçer, dışarı çıkıp mesela birileri takılsan da hayat geçer, tamam mı? O yüzden şimdi bundan sonra diyelim mesela sen biraz şey takıldın, computer science'a, programı öğreneceksin. Ama program mesela bir Python öğrenirsen, C++ öğrenirsen, JavaScript öğrenirsen, yani hepsi bu matematik mantıksal üzerine kurulmuş ya.
Hı hı.
Şimdi bir şey böyle hata yaptığı zaman hemen sana o error veriyor, tamam mı? Sen burada şunu yanlış kullandın, doğru kullan diye onu düzeltmen lazım.
Evet.
O da matematiksel mantık üzerine kurulduğu için bunlar önemli yani. O yüzden özellikle Amerika'da sen matematiğin çok iyisi, İngilizce iyi biliyorsan çok iyi üniversiteye gidebiliyorsun. Ondan sonra çok başarılı yani iyi bir meslek sahibi olabiliyorsun ya. Şimdi bir bakayım da şimdi dün word problem çözüyorduk.
Hı hı.
Bunları hemen bakalım. 3-4 tane denklem çözelim. Sonra da 1B ile devam ederiz. Tamam mı? Bir gün vaktimiz kalırsa şey hakkında konuşacağız. Inequalities. Başlayalım. Oku soruyu 9 soru.
The measure of the vertex angle in an isosceles triangle is six less than four times the measure of a base angle. Find the measure of the vertex angle.
Yeah, we have a lot of keywords here and the mathematical terms. If you don't understand what is vertex angle, what is an isosceles triangle, you cannot solve this question, even though you know how to solve equations. So what is a vertex angle?
Um, I'm not sure.
So if you draw a triangle, um, uh, sidewise, we classify triangles into three categories, right? Or three different triangles. One is equilateral, all sides are equal. The second one is isosceles, two sides are equal. And scalene, that is all sides are different. Okay, just to identify the triangles. So what is an isosceles triangle? It's a triangle which has, where two sides are equal. Okay, and the angles which is adjacent to this equal size. So this angle and this angle, they are equal, right? So they're called base angles. They're called because they are the angles at the base, right? Base angles. But the angle at the top, we call this vertex angle.
Hmm.
Okay, vertex. So usually, what does vertex mean? Vertex means actually the corner of a polygon, or what is this? Just the point where two sides meet each other. So since they are equal, it says that the measure of the vertex angle in an isosceles triangle is 6 less than 4 times the measure of the base angle. So if this one is x, this also x, then what is this vertex angle?
2x.
It says 6 less than 4 times the measure of a base angle. That
So
is
it's 4x
4x
minus 6.
6. Yeah, as you see, if you don't know this labeling stuff, you cannot solve this problem. If
Mhm.
I write the equation, it will be really easy. But first, you should understand the problem. And now let's write our equation. So in a triangle, what is the sum of the interior angles?
It's 90
No.
interior angles
The sum of the interior angles.
in every triangle.
Every triangle.
It's not 90. 180.
180. You know why is it 180? Did you ever wonder why is it 180?
Mm, Because no. Oh, because the vertex is 90 and then the base angles are 45.
No.
No.
You mean if you're given any triangle, suppose that this one is, let's say this x, this angle is y, and this top angle is z, and always x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Sometimes, if you just make yourself curious about this thing, you really learn things in depth, and it increases your knowledge a lot. If I draw one line parallel to the base, okay, see here this x, these are alternate angles. They are equal to each other because everything, all angles are related to this thing, in math. If we have a parallel lines and draw the third line, we call this transversal line, and this angle is equal to this angle. Is that right?
Yeah.
We call this alternate because they are changing sides. So because of these two sides, okay, they are parallel to each other, x and x. And can you tell me what is the measure of this angle?
Measure of that angle. X.
It is y. You see, y and y alternating.
Oh.
Okay, y. And now if you look at this x, y, and z, they form a straight angle. So that's why x plus y plus z, they are all in degrees, is always equal to 180 degrees. Okay, I'll get back to the question now. So in this question, after this observation, now you know what is the vertex angle and base angle. Since we know that the sum of the interior angles is 180, so here we have x, the first base angle, x, the second base angle, and vertex angle is for x minus 6, that's equal to 0. Can you solve
0.
this equation and tell me x? What is the value of x?
Okay.
Sorry, why did I write 0? It's 180.
Yeah, 180. $31.
It is 6x, 186 divided by 6, it is 31. But in the question, it's asking the vertex angle, right? So the vertex angle equals,
The vertex angle equals, so 31 times 4. 124 minus 6. 118.
that's correct. Okay. And that's why, as I told you, I was solving word problems really easy because it's really improves your vocabulary and understanding skill and translating word problems into equations. So mainly I'm going to practice more word problems with you. And the equations, you know, just one, two is enough because if you know the method, always you're following the fixed rules and you can, or just steps to solve the question. It will not be so hard. Okay, next question. Read it.
I did
Question
this
10.
one.
You did this
Weekend,
one?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I can
So
give you
how do
my
you solve
answer.
it?
I got, since it's 4 consecutive integers, I just put x and then x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and then equals 222.
Good.
And then
X.
and then I got 54, 57, 56, 57. No, 54, 55, 56, 57 as the integers.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4x plus 6 equals 2, 2, 2. X equals, what is it?
Uh, I got x to equal 29. No, 54. 54.
54. Okay. How about 11? This is also
Yeah,
easy question, I think.
yeah, I did. Yeah, I did 11 too.
Okay. Can you tell me what are those integers?
The integers are 29, 31, 33. Or is that
Good. Usually, you know, if you have 3, maybe you just actually label by x, x plus 2, x plus 4.
yeah,
But if it
it's
is
what I
3, if you label like this, you get the answer much faster. Here we have x minus 2. Next one would be x. And next one would be x plus 2.
why?
Because when you add this, you get, so it says that the sum of 3 consecutive odd integers is 93, right? So the year sum is equal to 3x is equal to 93. I'll get very equation very simple form. Now, if
Oh,
you so you see, also you can do like this: x, x plus 2, x plus 4, right?
yeah, that's what I did.
So at that time, you will have what kind of equation? You will have 3x plus 6, right? But if I just label like this, because of this a little bit thought, how can I actually use representation here? I get very simple equation. You will see that use of this one a lot because both answers are correct, but this one gives you the answer very fast and easy way. So here, as you see, x equals 31. So it's 31, it is 29, and 31, and 33.
Oh,
But if I tell you, for example, how about if I say the sum of, let's say, 7 consecutive integers? But if you write like this, x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. But instead, if you write x minus 4, x minus 2, and x plus 2, x plus 4, for example, let's say you're talking about 5. If you add them, you get 5x. You get the solution really fast. 12, read the question.
Find three consecutive even integers such that the sum of the smallest integer and twice the median integer is 20 more than the largest integer. I got 10, 12, and 14.
10, 12, 14.
Is that correct?
Let's see, find three constant even integers. If the first one is x minus 2, next one will be x, next one will be x plus 2. Such that sum of the smallest integer, smallest one is x minus 2, plus twice the median integer, twice the median one, is 20 more than the largest integer. So the largest integer and 20 more, right? So x cancel each other. To x equals, what is it? It is 24. X equals 12. That's correct. It is 10, 12, and 14. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's solve one question and we'll move to absolute value question and two equations. How did you solve this question 4 in equations? Did you solve it or not yet?
Question 4. I think I did. No, I don't think I could do this one. I don't think I did. Can I try right now?
Maybe only fractions you're confident. Let's do this together. Then you try to do question 5.
Okay.
Okay. So if you expand this, negative 8 times 3, right? So that is negative 24x.
4x.
And negative is positive. What is 8 times 1 over 4?
8 times 1 over 4 is
That is 1/4 of 8.
1/4 of 8. So it's 2.
2. That's it. 2 times 9, 18 minus 14x. Now we can just do mental. Take 14x to the left-hand side. Here we have minus 10x. And 2 to the right-hand side, it is 16, right? So if you divide both sides by 10, here we have 16 divided by negative 10, which is equal to minus 1.6 in decimal form. In fraction form, that is, what is it, 8 over 5. Before you do this, if I ask you simple multiply this to fraction, 4 over 9 times 3 over 8. Can you multiply these fractions and tell me your answer in the simplest form?
Uh, so 7. Oh wait, it's just that.
What did you get?
12 over 72. Yeah.
Okay, but you should simplify. Look, yeah, was really maybe you had never practiced. That's why you are, struggling to understand. 4 times 3, right? And 9, I can write as 3 times 3, right? And 8, we can write as 4 times 2. All are multiplied. This 3 and 3 is gone because 3 over 3 is 1. And also this 4, it is gone. So at the numerator, what is left?
6.
1.
Oh, no more.
1. In the denominator, 6.
Oh.
Right? Try to simplify in this way. So if you just expand this, in the first step, I have here 1 over 6x. Now, can you do the next one? 4 over 9 times 27 over 16. 4 over 9 times 27 over 16. Multiply and simplify.
Okay. Um, and then 2, and then what's on
It is 4, right? 27. We can write, because it's 9. That's why I'm writing this as 9 times 3. And here we have 9. And I have 4 here. That's why I'm writing 16 as 4 times 4.
Yeah.
I'm just split them into smaller pieces. Now 4, 4 is a common factor. It is gone. 9, 9, also common factor is gone. So 3 over 4. I'm just using this property. Now A times C divided by B times C. C is gone. So that's equal to A over B, right?
Oh, you didn't split up the 4? 'Cause I did
I don't
2,
have to.
10.
I can, but I don't have to because I know the 16. I have 4 here. So 16, I can write this 4 times 4.
Oh, okay.
If I have small number at the time, look, like for example, 12 over 16, right? So now I can write 12 maybe as 2 times 2 times 3. Actually, this is the main idea, but some calculation you can do mentally. 16, I can write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right?
Yeah.
So now this 2, it is gone, and this 2, it is gone. So now 3. So I have to re-multiply this, I need to write 4. But instead, if I just write this 12, if I write, because I just, you need some experience for this. 12, now I can see that 12, 16. 12, I can write as 4 times 3. Then 16, I can write as 4 times 4. And 4 is the common factor, so that's equal to 3 over 4.
Okay. I think I understand it.
Okay, I just need only experience, I think, but you need a little bit of experience, a few questions, maybe 5, 10. So if you multiply this, we will get what here? Here we get 3 over 4. On the right-hand side, 13 over 4.
Mhm.
Can you continue solving and tell me what is x?
Yeah. 6, and 16, 17, Um, is it x equals 3 over 4? Wait, no. 2 over 3. X equals 2 over 3.
Yes, Yavuz, what did you get?
X equals 2 over 3.
X equals what?
2 over 3.
3 over 3.
2 over 3.
No, really?
Yeah.
Look, that was 1 over 6x, right? So this is minus, move to the right-hand side. We have 13 over 4. plus 3 over 4, right?
Yes.
And 4 common denominator. So we just draw
16.
a single fraction line and add the numerators. 13 plus
Yeah,
3 is 16, right?
that's what I did.
So what is 16 divided by 4?
You divide it?
What is
Oh, I
16
kept it in
over 4 is, huh?
it's 4. I kept it in fraction form.
Yeah,
That's
because if you simplify 16, the fraction is division, right? 16 divided by 4, that's equal to just 4. Every
4.
time simplify. So that
Oh,
means that here I have 1 over 6 again. And let me just write here 1 over 6x. That was the same thing as x over 6, right?
yeah.
And now here we have x over 6 is equal to 4. How can I eliminate the 6? It's divided, right? If you move to the right hand side, it will be multiplied. So x is equal to 4 times 6 because I'm multiplying both sides by 6. And 6 times 1 over 6, 6 times 1 over 6, that's equal to 1, right?
Yeah.
So x is equal to, here we have 4 times 6, which is equal to 24.
I see.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right, let's continue. Do we have any more? Yes. Can you do question 9?
A equals 19.
Very good. A is equal to 90. Now do 11.
C equals -2.
Really?
I think,
Because I got a little bit different answer. First, you multiply both sides by 3, right?
yeah.
Okay. So here we have 12c plus 27. And here we have
Oh,
8c plus 1 minus 2c
oh,
minus
hocam,
minus
no, I know
plus
what I did.
11.
I know what I did wrong. I put 24 instead of 27 for 3 times 9.
Aha. Hemen düzeltip bir tekrar yapar mısın? Bakalım kaç çıkacak şimdi.
Mhm. Negative 2.5. C equals
That's
negative.
correct. C equals negative 2.5. Bir tekrar deneyelim şimdi fraction'la beraber. 12 yap. 2 dakika veriyorum. 2 dakikada çözmeye çalış. 2 dakika. Yes Yavuz.
Daha çözemedim hocam. Just a little more. Um, I don't think this is right. Y equals 65 over 48. Just looking at it right.
65 over 48. 65 over 48. Both numbers are divisible by? No. So we can simplify.
I don't even know.
Okay. I think I made a mistake somewhere. Look, let's do together. The first, we remove the brackets, right? 1 times 3, it is 3. 2 times 2, it is 4. So here we have 1. Is that right?
Yeah,
Plus 1 times 1, it is 1. 2 times 3, it is 6.
yeah,
On the right-hand side, negative 1 over 2 times y, it is negative 1 over 2 y.
yeah,
Minus minus, it is plus 5 over 4.
yeah,
So we move y's to the left, numbers to the right. So here we have 3 over 4y plus 1 over 2y. On the right-hand side, 5 over 4
5.
minus 1 over 6.
Yeah, 504.
So what is 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2?
Wait, what?
Now we have to simplify, right? 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2.
Yeah, it's
What
5
is it?
over uh 5 over 4.
Yeah, very good. 5 over 4y.
Yeah,
And on the right-hand side, what is 5 over 4 minus 1 over 6?
5 over 4 minus 1 over 6. I did
What is the common denominator?
12.
Very good.
So I
So it
did
is
2 over 12 minus 15 over 12.
So that's 15 minus 2, right? Which is equal to 13 over 12.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, then where did they make a mistake?
And
If
then
you move this 5 over 4 to the right-hand side, yeah, it will be y will be equal to 13 over 12 times 4 over 5, right?
yeah, and then
I think
12.
you made a mistake here. You wrote it not 4 over 5. You wrote it 5 over 4, I think.
No, I wrote 5/4.
Yeah, it should be 4 over 5.
Oh, because you flip
Because
it because of the
5 over 4
reciprocal.
on the left-hand side, if you move to the right-hand side, 4 over 5.
Yeah, reciprocal.
And now this 4 and 12, both numbers are divisible by 4. So here we have 13. So here we have 3. It is 15, right? It's 13 over 15.
Oh, okay. I
Good,
forgot.
until here. Huh?
Yeah, I just forgot you had to flip them.
Yes. So because we are multiplying both side by 4 over 5. 4 over 5, 5 over 4, they are multiplicative inverse of each other. Okay. And let's do these 4 questions, and I will ask you another similar question involving rational numbers. Solve each equation for the indicated variable. I think let's say we practice this a little bit. Looking at this one, okay, let's just do this question in 2 steps. First, what do you do here?
You move the pi to the other side.
No, we multiply both sides by 2, right?
Oh yeah,
2a is equal to pi r squared.
yeah,
And then pi is equal to 2a over r squared, right?
yeah.
I just divided both sides by r squared. And how about here?
Oh, I see. Okay. You times both sides by 2z.
Okay, so x minus y equals 3 times 2z. It is 6z, right?
Mm-hmm. And then
What is
you just flip it. Yeah.
okay? Let's just write this in alphabetical order. Y plus 6z. Okay, good. Now we'll move from here. Before we move, let me ask you one more question involving this rational numbers. Okay, can you
Okay.
try to solve this question? Two x minus 1 divided by 3 plus 3x over 4 is equal to 0. A little bit change, and you have 2 minutes, okay? Solve it and tell me your final answer. If it is correct, we will solve the next question. Otherwise, we'll discuss and move to the next question.
Okay. Um, okay. Okay. So just 12, 4 times 8x, 8, and 3 times. Wait,
What did you do in your first step, Yavuz?
I don't know. Normally I would. I don't know. I just I I times 2 to like the parentheses. I just give it to the
But
parentheses.
first, as you see, we have fractions. Why don't we just change them into whole numbers? And we know the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is what?
It's 12. Let's
12.
yeah. I did
So
that
let's
later.
multiply. If you multiply both sides by 12, also you have to know that, Yavuz,
You
12 times 1/3 is equal to what?
4.
4. And 12 times 1/4,
3.
3. And that's the reason, you should do this. If you can do this part mentally, it's going to help you a lot to solve every question. So now if I multiply both sides by 12, so here I have 4 times this expression. Plus here I have 3 times whatever it is. On the right hand side, 12 times 0, it is 0. Right? Now 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times x, 8x. 8 times 1, it is 8. 3 times 3x, it is 9x. That's equal to 0, right?
Wait. No, I don't. So you got the least common multiple, and then you just like erase the fractions? How does that work?
I multiply both sides by 12. I multiply, like here we have 12 times 2x minus 1 over 3. And 12 times 3x over 4. And here we have 12 times 0. Can I do that?
Can you do that?
Because if we know that in equations, if a is equal to b, it is equivalent to this equation, right? A times c equals b times c. If you multiply both sides by the same number, it does not change, right? It's like a scale, If you do the same thing to both sides, it still balances.
Okay. So you could just, okay, I see. I didn't know that was a rule.
So if you are doing business, okay, you're doing business A, I'm doing business B.
Mhm.
So you invested $100, I invested $100.
Mhm.
Okay. In 1 year, you make a profit of $200, I make a profit of $200. So we have the same amount of money, right? And next year, your investment doubled. Also, my investment doubled. So we have the same thing, right? It's exactly the same thing. Equations means like a scale. If you do the same operation to both sides, the equation does not change. I mean, the solution of the equation does not change. In math, we call this equivalent equations.
Okay, I understand.
Okay, so that's why actually from here, 12 over 3 is 4. I'm just writing 4 as the whole number. Now, if you continue here, 8x plus 9x, that is 17x. And move negative 8 to the right-hand side, it is 8, dot, dot, dot. So the solution of this equation is 8 over 17.
Okay.
Mesela ilk başta dedim ya çok basit şeyler ama bunu kullanıyoruz. Kullanırken onu kullanamıyor insanlar. Onu
Mhm.
zorlanıyoruz. Normalde aynı şey kullanıyorum. I'm multiplying both sides by 12. Can I do that? Yes. Adding something? Yes. Dividing by something? Yes. All right, let's continue. Next question. Sen doğru çözünce kadar ben 2-3 tane sorayım da çünkü bunlar gerçekten çok önemli. Senin böyle matematiği artık anladım diyebilmen için böyle soru çözebilmen lazım. İkinci soru soruyorum. Burada biraz değiştireceğim şimdi, tamam mı? 6x plus 1 divided by 7. And here we have minus 2x minus 7 divided by 3. That's equal to 4. Şimdi sağ tarafta 0 vardı. 0 yerine 4 var şimdi. Orta plus vardı. We have minus here. Try, Yavuz. Now you have the ideas. I can give you the hint. The first step, what do you do here? We multiply both sides by
21.
Very good. So least common multiple of 7 and 3 and 4 over 1, it is 21. And also you should know that 21 times 1 over 7, that's equal to 3. And 21 times 1 over 3, that's equal to 7. How about on the right-hand side? 21 times 4, that's equal to 84.
Yeah. So
Okay, let's do it.
84. I keep the numerators the same, or do I multiply them by
What do you mean?
like 6x plus 1? Do I multiply that by 3? I do, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Because you see, Yavuz, sen şunu çok iyi anlaman lazım. Şimdi 21'i çarparken if you multiply by 21, right? I
Mm-hmm.
have something like this, right? 6x plus 1 over 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can I just write it as 21 times 1 over 7 times 6x plus 1?
Yeah.
Of course, like because a over b means that it is a times 1 over b. Or I can write it as 1 over b times a. They are the same things. Because a times b equals b times a, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's why if you simplify this part now, you always simplify this part, that's equal to 3. And I'm using what property? Can you tell me what property am I using here?
Associative.
Yeah, because if you're multiplying a by b by c, you multiply first a by b or b by c or a by c, the result does not change.
Okay. Mm, plus 4, and then just this 2x x. X equals 129 divided by 2. I don't think that's right. I don't know.
129 divided by 7, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. If I multiply both sides by 21, so here we have 3, 6x plus 1 minus, here we have 7,
Wait,
2x minus 7. Yes?
I said 3. I mean 129 divided by 2. So like 129. On
129 divided by
2. It's under
2.
200. Is
Okay,
that
let's
right?
see.
Mm,
Um, do I have answers? Let me just check first. 21. No, that's not correct. Look, you'll see your mistake. First step is like this, right? Did you write exactly the same thing?
Wait. Yeah.
Okay. So 3 times 6x. It is 18x
Oh my
plus 3.
God. Oh, no, I know what I did wrong. Can I solve it again?
Yes.
Six. Yeah. No. Wait. 2. Minus. Yeah. It's 14x. Hocam, that 7 is -7, right? Because of the minus.
Say again?
That 7 is a -7, right?
Yeah, because when you're
Okay.
considering, you should always consider with this sign together.
Yeah,
Negative
yeah, yeah.
7 times 2x.
Yeah, okay.
So negative 14x.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay. Then what's this? X equals 32.5, I think. I did it.
2.5?
Huh?
What is it saying?
X equals 32.5.
No. Look, yeah, it was -7 times -7.
49.
Okay, 49. On the right-hand side, we have 84, right? What is 18x minus 4x?
I see what I did wrong.
Is 4x, right?
No, I did. It's just like really small, stupid stuff that I keep missing. I did -7 times 7, and then instead of making it a positive, I made it a negative.
It is negative, negative is positive. Always
Yeah.
first multiply signs. Because -1 times -1 equals positive, right? Simply minus minus is plus when they are multiplied. And minus 3 plus 49, it is 52. So x equals 84 minus 52 is
32.
equal to 32, right?
I could do it. I could do it.
So it should be 8.
Like I know how to like do it. It's just I'm missing like stupid stuff. Minnacık şeylerde hemen kafam karışıyor.
O tecrübeye bağlı. İşte daha fazla çözünce onlar artık hemen bakınca görebiliyorsun, hissedebiliyorsun. Şu an böyle düşünüyorsun ya, eksimi böyle. Ama daha fazla ilerleyince daha fazla soru çözüyoruz ya. Şimdi seninle her zaman farklı bir şey öğrenmeyeceğiz. Bu şu an kullandığın şeyleri yani hayatın bilmiyorum üniversite bitirinceye kadar hep bunları kullanacaksın. Çünkü bunlar matematiğin temelleri. Yani şimdi you go to, for example, next year, right? You're going to take pre-calculus. You're using the same things. Maybe different concept. You're adding something, but the structure does not change. Because now you can speak English, right? But if you learn some new words, the way you speak may be a bit more advanced. But the structure does not change because you're using basic things again. It is something like this. And after that, you'll learn calculus. Again, you're using these ideas. Just you as some more things. Yani o yüzden şu an biraz yavaş olsa bunu çok iyi bir anlamamız lazım Yavuz. Yani bana şimdi bunlar çok iyi anlarsan, word problem çözebilirsek yani linear equation sadece. Ondan sonra quadratic equation. Ondan sonra matematik her konusu iyi anlayabilirsin. Ama bunları anlamazsan her zaman sıkıntı yaşarız yani. Çünkü bunları her zaman kullanacağız.
Hı.
Şimdi logaritmik function öğreneceğiz. Onu sadeleştirdiğiniz zaman yine böyle bir denklem karşımıza çıkacak. Yine bunu çözmemiz lazım. Bunu kullanmamız lazım. Trigonometry function öğreneceğiz. Yine onun denklem çözdüğümüz zaman yine karşımıza bu çıkacak yani. Şimdi calculus kullanacaksın. Problem çözüyorsun. Yine karşımıza bu denklem çıkacak. Çünkü onu sadeleştiriyorsun. Soru çözüyorsun. Yani direkt çözmüyorsun onları. Çok advanced'a gidelim. Mesela üniversite 2-3'e gidiyorsun. Differential equations. Onları çözüyorsun. Yine bu denklem çözmek yani bunu kullanmak zorundasın. O yüzden linear equations and quadratic equations they are the fundamentals of algebra.
Hocam bir soru daha yapabilir miyiz? Bir soru daha. Çünkü bence
Evet,
anlıyorum.
tabii. Ben
Genel
sana yani 10 tane soru göndereceğim de şu an bunu halletmeden çok devam etmek istemiyorum yani. Şimdi bir dene tamam. Şimdi üçüncü soru diyelim bunu. 2x divided by 9 minus x minus 1 over 6 equals, şimdi sana sayı değil de burada kesir olsun, x plus 3 divided by 12.
tamam.
Şimdi bunu başlamadan önce Yavuz, can you tell me what is the least common multiple of 9, 6 and 12?
9, 6, and 12. Is it 72?
No.
Uh,
Şimdi bunu başka matematik yolu vardı ama şu an ben biraz zamanla dolayı göstermek istemiyorum. Aslında başka bir basit yolu ne? Buradaki en büyük sayı 12 değil mi? The
hı hı.
greatest number is 12. So just list the multiples of 12. Is 12 divided by 9 and 6? No.
Yeah.
Right?
No.
Only 6, but 9 is not divisible.
Yeah.
And next one is 24. Is it divisible by 6 and 9?
Uh, 24. Yeah.
No.
No.
It's not divisible by 9. And next one is 36. Is it divisible by 9 and 6?
Yeah.
Yes. So we stop here.
36.
So the least common multiple of these three numbers is 36.
Okay, I understand. 9, 2, 1, 6 is 6, 12 is 2. X equals -3.
Çok güzel. Doğru. Çok güzel. So we just multiply both sides by 36. So here we have 4. 4 times 2 is 8x minus, here we have 4, 4x plus 4. And here we have 3. No, here we have 6, right? The 6, 6x plus 6, and 3x plus 9. So 8 minus 6, it is 2. 2 minus 3 minus x equals minus 3. That's 3. X equals -3. Güzel. Yavuz şimdi U1. Şimdi bunu başlamadık da bunu yarın şey yapacağız. Ben sana bir şey kağıt göndereceğim.
Tamam.
Onlardan da 10 tane soru
Hı hı.
cumartesiye kadar çözebilir misin?
Hı hı. Çözebilirim hocam.
Çözebilirsen 20 tane çöz. Çözemezsen 10 tane. 5 tane denklem, 5 tane de word problems.
Tamam.
Tamam. İnşallah cumartesi günü saat 11 görüşeceğiz değil mi? 11 miydi?
Hı hı. 11'de hocam.
Galiba. Evet. Yavuz kendine iyi bak. İnşallah cumartesi görüşmek üzere. Tamam.
Tamam. Görüşmek üzere
Bunları da
hocam.
bitirmeye çalış. Bunları çözebilirsen hepsini iyi olur cumartesine kadar da. Şu U1.
Tamamdır.
Hadi.
Görüşürüz hocam.
Görüşürüz. Kendine iyi bak.
Kendinize iyi bakın.